In this video, we're going to be dividing mixed numbers. Now, when we divide fractions, we take them, flip them, and then multiply them. The same situation happens here, except you cannot multiply mixed numbers. And since when we get to the end of this process, we are multiplying, we're going to change these mixed numbers into improper fractions first. Then we can take them, flip them, and multiply them. So let's look at our first example here. 1 1/10 divided by 1 4/7. Let's turn these mixed numbers into improper fractions. 10 times 1 equals 10 plus 1 equals 11. 11 over 10. 7 times 1 equals 7 plus 4 equals 11 over 7. Now that we have them in improper fraction form, we can take the second number, flip it, and then multiply it. So we're going to take it, flip it into its reciprocal, and then multiply it. Now we can see a pattern here. If we have these opposite 11s, those will cancel each other out, and we end up with 7/10. Moving on to another example, here we have a mixed number divided by a fraction. Since this fraction is already in that form, we can leave it alone, and we can focus here on our first number of 2 1/3, turning that into an improper fraction. 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7, 7 over 3. And then 3/10. Now, seeing these threes like we did here, you might be tempted to cross those out, but remember, we have not taken it and flipped it yet. So be very careful. You see those patterns, you're tempted to jump. Do all the steps first. Take it, flip it into its reciprocal, and then multiply it. So now, in this form, we're going to go top times top, bottom times bottom. 7 times 10 equals 70. 3 times 3 equals 9. Now we did end with an improper fraction. We always want to write those in the simplest form, which means we're converting it back into a mixed number. 70 divided by 9. 9 goes into 70 7 times. 7 times 9 is 63. Subtract. We get 7, so we have 7 7/9.